Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to play the melody of this hymn, Just As I Am. So we'll start with the first phrase. It starts with E. So E, D, C, G. But remember here, because you are going to reach the top C later, it's wise to change your hand position. So it's like this. C, C, scale down. Yeah, it's quite easy to remember. So it's a scale from E, D, C, G, and then another scale. Yeah, that's the first phrase. Now, second phrase, we have to move the hand back again. So we start with G. It's a scale. But over here, you need to stretch your thumb slightly because you want to play a B. And here, you have to go back to your original position. So I will do it again. It might be wise to keep your last two fingers on the note F and G and not to move, so that immediately you can find your notes. Yeah. Okay. For the third phrase, it has a bit jump again. Yeah. For the first two notes, D, G, you can just use the finger 2, 5, yeah, those two fingers. But at some point, you need to make sure your little finger is on the top C. So you can play the chord now. This is a B minor 7, yeah, B minor 7. Also, when you are playing this chord, because you are stretching your hand slightly, try to avoid just using the fingers like that, because that can tense your hand up. You might want to use a little bit rest. Yeah. Yeah. So I'll do it again. The last phrase is very straightforward. In my next video, I'm going to add the bass line of this piece. So it sounds like this. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in my contents, please do follow my page.